All right, joining me now and sitting beside me, as you all can see, is Nollsy. Nollsy, welcome, buddy.
How are you, buddy? All right,
mate. Good to see you here now. We're out at the GasGas launch. Let's just get straight into your singing career. How did you first start singing?
Mate, my brothers had a band when I was about 12, and they'd rehearse over the shearing shed, you know, so I'd go over there and watch them rehearse and all that sort of thing, and Dad had a family band years before that, so sort of running the family a little bit, and that's where it sort of all kicked off for me.
With your brothers, obviously you started riding down in the farm, is that right?
Yeah, mate, we've got a Pee-wee, started off on a Pee-wee 50, and went all the way up to a TT 600 at one stage, so I tracked around the farm, it was great fun. We loved the bikes, mate, just lived on them.
How are you finding the GasGas? You've had it for a year?
Absolutely love it, mate. I've always wanted a two-stroke. We always had four-strokes on the farm. Always was really keen to get a two-stroke and just haven't looked back. It's just so light and nimble through the tight stuff and point and shoot, mate, you know, and it's just heaps enough power, you know. I reckon the 300 is just perfect, you know. With the mapping switch in that as well, you know, it just makes a hell of a difference, especially with a bit of rain around today. Just made it so much easier, you know, in that bit of slippery stuff.
You're getting around pretty handy, mate. You must get on that bike a little bit,
mate, I've been really lucky, actually. I got the young bloke a bike there probably 12 months ago. We've been doing as much riding as we can, so it's just a great chance to spend some time with the young fella as well, you know, getting out there and having some fun yourself. So to be able to get that back, it's a little piece of home for me, I suppose. To get out there and amongst it's so much fun and a great release too, you know, get away from all the hustle and bustle of the business and that sort of thing. Struggling to keep up with the boys today, but I had a bit of a crack at it, mate, so it was a lot of fun.
One last thing we want to catch up on is your charity, mate. You've been doing quite a few charities. A lot of things that people probably don't realise about yourself is you're a very charitable guy. Tell us about this Buy a Bale charity.
Yeah, I obviously coming from a farm, you know, and we lost our farm through drought, so I sort of fully understand what the people are going through out Western New South Wales and northwestern New South Wales and up into Queensland. So I had a song that I re-recorded and then released it, and then 100% of the proceeds go to Drought Angels, because they've been doing a great lot of work for people who are suffering from the worst drought in 100 years. So, you know, I just think, you know, the people voted for me in the show, with the show, and they vote with their wallet to come to the shows and to buy. And without that support, I wouldn't be able to do what I do. So I always, you know, try and do the best I can to give something back when you're in the situation to do so. So.
That's awesome. So how do we get that song, mate, and how do we get it?
Yeah, mate, it's available on all digital platforms. So it's called Lean On Me. So check it out, and if you like it, buy it. If you don't, buy it anyway, because all the money goes to the farmers. So
I nearly leaps on you out in the trails.
That's it, mate. Don't worry about that.
Well, mate, it's been an absolute pleasure, and thanks for taking your time to come and have a chat to us. And I must say, guys, he can ride a bike. Don't be fooled by mucking around. He can actually get on and ride a bike.
Mate. So. Good on you, buddy. Thanks, buddy. Good on you, mate. Appreciate it.